Hey guys, so sad news for the Solana. The Solana network has been down for at least 3 hours, which means that you cannot bridge or swap or withdraw any funds or any money that you have in the Solana network or in any Solana based crypto wallet. But the good news is that this is nothing new or nothing special. The Solana network has been getting outages for the last few years, basically since the Solana has been out, and it will probably start running in a few hours. But overall, I think it's bad news for the Solana maxis or Solana holders. And let's see what will happen with Solana price when the Solana network is up and running again. If the people are selling the coin or not selling, we will see. But yeah, if you have been in the crypto space for at least 3 to 4 years, you understand that all these new chains have their problems, and many people think that Ethereum has the high fees or it's very slow. The truth is, when a blockchain gets as big as Ethereum or Bitcoin, it starts getting many new problems. And for example, the Binance blockchain was the Solana of 2021 when the Ethereum fees were getting high and most people were trading and buying coins on the Binance chain because fees were very low. The truth is that if Binance gets as big as Ethereum, the fees will get even bigger and the chain will overall get slower because it will not manage as many transactions. So that's why I'm personally not a blockchain maxi or bullish on one blockchain like Solana or Avalanche or I don't know, whatever. I'm following the money, and doesn't matter where I can make some profits, I will go to that chain or to that ecosystem and just grind it out and collect my airdrops, swap my NFTs, and so on. So my advice is, don't be a specific blockchain maximalist. Just enjoy your time in this space and get as much fun, as much money as you can. And thanks for watching.